Vehicle and Asset Dealers Association of Ghana, a Trentiakan Vadak, Wamo Etong, Ashen Ewa Omai Emu, Wamo any coalition of social justice, ene Ashenkafon Kabum Kwahudwa, Womemo Afrens and Chofo in Shemu, Edin Semo Amane Ghana Abayin, Omasamo Mukenya and say Yadia, luxury car levy Abayin Ede Ebayano, Etiti Omo Emo Mujedi, Entimi and Quotsro, Nesai Suntino Ghana Banche, now Winnie and Fiho, Ebra, Executive Secretary Edema Ekuno, Ura Clifford, Ansu, Kasa Ewon Secho Fonshim Naseno, say and a watch in some FIA.
There was no dialogue, and if any, all of our associations were disregarded and not involved in such discussions. Ladies and gentlemen, the effect of this policy has been, however, been so detrimental to the car selling industry nationwide, such that people have discarded the idea of buying or owning vehicles, such as the one stated above, while some owners of these vehicles are resorting to the Goro Boys at the premises of DVLA for a fake and fictitious and for roadworthy stickers just to drive around and thereby denying the government the very revenue that this policy seeks to gather for the state.
Enwechino President Edema Vadak Eye Ora Eric Boatin one also Edenidie APC say abanhwe na wonyi etono mfi wo esan say etete omdwedie yi pa.
Yetuanamo no so ekowie so say within 2 weeks no minister no to nsafre eye Minister of Finance ema ye nom koye nhyiemo na nhyieni mu no o ma yete ase say omu ngina enkran mu so entutu nkran nti yenko na 2 weeks time no ye beti omunka 2 weeks ni mu no so yantehwe nti ekowie say sa na chide a ene say yetumi to anamo foforo a ye befa na say na ebe ya luxury vehicle tax na ye de abeto ye so no omotumi eye fi hwa ma yen
ne kwakwa no Ora Jacob oseye bo a wogina mu won fimpimienu ene dumienu ne fimpimienu ene dunsia abato no mu se ento abama no na mbeye omampanyin e wo mamu enso ede ne die pisu se aban a wati adwaso no nyade a wodi ne di a ese na efata e matememufo kra.
There was no broader consultation. That has been the weakness of this government. The government is just behaving like Kokwanansi. Yes, laws and things like that we all need, but just consult people, consult the stakeholders, get their operational understanding before you be able to come out with any intelligent taxes. This is what is lacking.
Wamo echemu se eyade a July bosom no ne da etoso enkron wa afia mu no wamo beye oyechira no ode
ye gina yemofidie kase so ne Ghanafo enanim ka say on the 9th ye the demonstration chirenche be hihye so demonstration no size demonstration kunya prekon ebi kan kumi prekon he so ye de na ye kunya prekon because ye bre ekomo de